Hello, I'm Becky, and this is the all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. Now, the original Pathfinder, which debuted in 1986, was a breakthrough vehicle for Nissan. From its rugged off-road performance to iconic details like the functional 3-slot grille. Pathfinder became one of Nissan's longest-running and most iconic nameplates and found a large, passionate following of adventure enthusiasts. So when it came time to create a new Pathfinder for the next generation of adventurers, Nissan found inspiration in the original. The result is a Pathfinder that returns to its roots with a rugged new design, robust off-road capability, and an adventure-ready attitude. Let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is the massive front end, large hood, signature V-motion grille, powerful C-shaped LED headlights and daytime running lights, standard on every Pathfinder. On the sides, unique U-shaped forms connect the protective blister fenders and accent the machine face wheels. Nissan's popular floating roof C-pillar design has been adopted into the all-new Pathfinder, allowing the integration of available two-tone paint treatments. A total of 14 colors and color combinations are now offered, including 5 new two-tone treatments that are carefully designed to integrate into the overall design. Now in the rear, the boxed-out liftgate returns to the boldness of the first Pathfinder, including the oversized satin chrome Pathfinder name. Okay, now let's talk capability. Every 2022 Pathfinder comes with a powerful 284 horsepower, 3.5 direct injection V6, and an all-new smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, a difference felt the moment you step on the gas. Another important quickly noticed addition is Pathfinder's new intelligent 4-wheel drive with 7-position drive and terrain mode selector, including snow, sand, and mud rut. The system is equipped with direct coupling, which allows for more confident takeoff in low traction situations, along with immediate response and precise, stable handling. Pathfinder features best-in-class 6,000-pound maximum towing capacity, along with standard trailer sway control, which makes for confident driving with a boat or a trailer attached. Now, the interior of the all-new Pathfinder is tough, strong, and ready for any adventure. Among the long list of striking new touches is a new available 12.3-inch digital dashboard. It provides the driver with a variety of easy-to-navigate screen options. Complementing the digital dashboard is a new available 10.8-inch head-up display. The available 9-inch color touchscreen center display is placed high on the simplified intuitive instrument panel, providing easy visibility and accessibility. Now, the all-new Pathfinder offers connectivity features that no one could even imagine back in 1986, including wireless smartphone charging and Nissan Connect services with wireless Apple CarPlay. And just look at the beautiful new interior materials and textures, including quilted semi-aniline leather appointed seats. Now, every Pathfinder comes with plenty of room for 8, with impressive roominess. Nissan's EasyFlex one-touch fold and slide seat release provides no hassle access to that third row, now from both the passenger and the driver's sides. And with Pathfinder's wide opening doors, parents and kids will have no issues getting their cargo in and out of the vehicle. With the third row up, there's plenty of room for 4 golf bags or even a 120-quart cooler. Now, also new for 2022, Pathfinder is available with second-row captain's chairs with a no tools required removable center console. Now, for a family adventure vehicle like the all-new Pathfinder, all-around safety technology is as important as anything. Every Pathfinder comes with standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 with 6 advanced technologies, including rear automatic braking. The other assistance technology includes available intelligent around view monitor, which gives you a bird's eye view around the Pathfinder, which is great for tight spots on the trail or just the grocery store parking lot. Oh, and don't overlook Nissan's advanced Pro Pilot Assist with NaviLink, which was just introduced on the all-new Nissan Rogue. By linking the Pro Pilot system with the navigation map data, the vehicle can actually proactively reduce speeds for upcoming curves or freeway junctions, along with many other functions. So that's a quick look at the all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. With bold, muscular new looks, an all-new transmission, and advanced safety and technology features, Nissan has found inspiration in the past to deliver the ultimate Pathfinder for the future. It's coming to a Nissan dealer near you this summer. The adventure continues.